Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by framing the problem. Marianas Web is a sensational claim, not a documented network. You need a clear, legal goal, research, education, or threat modeling before proceeding. Once done, prioritize verified sources, academic work, security blogs, and open forensic reports. Make sure to document what you read and why it matters. Do not attempt to access unknown systems or follow unverified guides. Instead, collect evidence-based information that helps you separate fact from fiction and keeps you on the right side of the law. Once you have foundational information, build understanding through controlled, lawful experiments. You can set up an isolated lab environment for testing concepts, virtual machines, and air-gapped networks, but only with benign datasets and explicit permission where needed. Make sure to follow institutional review and legal guidance. Ethics matter. Combine theoretical study with safe practice. Analyze archived malware samples in offline sandboxes and consult cybersecurity mentors. This approach teaches you why claims persist without exposing you to illegal activity or unnecessary risk. To finish, compile what you learned into a clear, responsible report that lists sources, methods, and limitations. This protects you and informs others. If you hit dead ends, don't chase dubious shortcuts. Instead, reevaluate source credibility and pivot to peer-reviewed or community-vetted material. If legal or technical ambiguity remains, consult legal counsel or experienced security professionals rather than improvising. One troubleshooting tip: if instructions encourage secrecy or bypassing law, stop immediately and seek an ethical alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.